Today we are exploring Monet's Gardens in Giverny, France. Stay tuned as we show you around the gardens as well as explain the best way to get from Paris out to Monet's Gardens and back in one day. We just finished our tour around Monet Gardens. What'd you think?
I loved it.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's well worth the price, for sure.
Yeah, so it's 12 euros a person to go into the gardens. You can wait in line to buy tickets, or you can buy tickets online, which if you're coming on a busy day, it's one, recommended to buy them online so you don't have to wait in line, and two, just in case they sell out. But yeah, well worth the price. And now we're just kind of exploring the town. We have about 2 hours before we're heading back to catch the train. So
that's a field trip.
Seriously, kids here have the coolest field trips. Yesterday they were in Paris.
Just keep walking.
Pardon. Tu vois, à gauche, c'est le...
Oh, moi, elle aime bien danser, ma chérie. Oh, mon petit tu aimes bien danser, mon tricard. Viens, je fais une danse, mon chat. Moi aussi, j'aime bien danser, ma chérie.
C'est quoi ça?
Funny.
Hotel Baudy.
Baudy, I think.
Hotel
B-A-U-D-Y.
Baudy. And then you just walk through, and in the backyard are all these beautiful... It's like Monet Garden Part 2, but the free version. And nobody's here.
Alright, so now that we finished our tour of Monet Gardens, I wanted to explain a little bit more about how we actually got here to Giverny from Paris. So we hopped on the metro right next to our hotel to the Paris Saint-Lazare, I believe is how you say it, station. This is like a really large train station. It's not just where the metro is, but there are actual trains here as well. And that's where we got on the TRE, which is kind of the Normandy line, was the one that we took. Okay, I think we got our ticket. It was a little confusing because it's on a different app. It's on the SCNF app because it's a different train, so our metro tickets don't work for this route. It's about 17 euros a person each way, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. Our station here for Monet Gardens was Vernon-Giverny. Now I had a really hard time finding what the station was, and if you kind of just route to Monet Gardens on Google Maps or something, it normally takes you to the Vernon station, but I just wasn't fully sure since the gardens are in Giverny. So you take the train to that station, and then when you get off the train, there are a lot of different options. You can take Le Petit Train, which is what we ended up doing. It was 10 euros a person round trip. You can take an Uber, although I have heard that Ubers are hard to get from here back to the train station, maybe not as reliable. You can take the local bus, but it does require a 25-minute walk once you get here. Or you can rent bikes for about 15 euros a person for the whole day. It's a 3-mile bike ride. I've heard it's beautiful along the Seine. Paris and France is going through a heat wave right now, so we opted for the Le Petit Train. Luckily, we got the last 2 seats from our train, because there's only one little train each hour. So we got the last 2 seats, rode it on over here. It's about a 20-minute ride. But any option is great. It really just depends on your preferences. So hop on the metro, take that Normandy line, buy the tickets on the SNCF Connect app. You can do it once you're in the train station. They don't really tell you which terminal your train's going to be in until about 10 minutes before it leaves. So you do have time to buy your tickets, get off here, and then choose one of those options to get over to Monet Gardens. So we've been walking around. We kind of mistimed it a little bit, so we're going to be catching the 3:30 Le Petit train back for the 3:55 actual train back to Paris, and then we're going to hit up happy hour in our part of Paris. We're staying in a very residential area, so there's tons of happy hours. The locals are all out. We can't figure out what time they eat because happy hour starts at 3, goes pretty much till like 10. Every time we walk by, people are just drinking, but we're excited to try some local food in our area and then probably head to bed early because it's been a very long, hot day. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're not already. If you're interested in booking a trip to Paris or anywhere around the world, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to be your travel advisor to help you plan, book, and go on your perfect vacation.